I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to wash Porsche 911, easy method. Start by parking in the shade and rinsing the car thoroughly to dislodge loose grit. Use a gentle pressure and begin at the top, moving downward to keep dirt from recontaminating cleaned areas. Focus on quarter panels and door jambs where grime hides, and let the rinse soak into wheel wells before switching to soap. In this video, I will show how to wash Porsche 911, easy method. Apply pH-balanced car shampoo to a clean mitt and wash one panel at a time in straight lines, not circles. Keep a dedicated bucket for rinsing the mitt and a separate soap bucket to stay grit-free. Spend extra time on rocker panels and behind mirrors and rinse each section before the soap dries to prevent water spots. In this video, I will show how to wash Porsche 911, easy method. Quick recommendation: grab an Owala water bottle to stay hydrated while you work on the car. It fits cup holders and keeps water cold during summer detailing sessions. If this guide is helping, please subscribe and like so I can make more useful tips. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to wash Porsche 911, easy method. After rinsing, squeegee excess water, then gently blot the surface with a clean microfiber towel to avoid swirls. Dry door jambs and crevices with a blower or small brush to prevent trapped moisture. Finish with a light spray wax or sealant for added gloss and protection, and step back to inspect panels under good light for missed spots.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.